2025 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R-Line commands attention with its bold, coupe-inspired silhouette and athletic R-Line design cues. Brought to you by Berge VW. It features an aggressive front fascia with gloss black accents, 21-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and taillights, and a sleek panoramic sunroof that stretches nearly the entire roofline. The result is a sophisticated yet sporty SUV that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R-Line is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Standard 4-motion all-wheel drive provides confident handling across changing road conditions, while the available drive mode selector lets you tailor your experience for on-road comfort or off-road traction. Rear passengers enjoy generous space and premium comfort, thanks to the Atlas Crossport's wide two-row layout. The reclining second-row seats offer exceptional legroom and headroom, and with available rear climate controls and heated seats, every journey feels first class. The flat-load floor also makes it easy to stretch out or store extra gear. Inside, luxury meets modern refinement. The cabin features premium leather seating surfaces, a heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and real wood or metallic trim. The driver-focused cockpit design places everything within easy reach, while the quiet, insulated cabin ensures a calm and refined ride for everyone on board. Volkswagen's IQ.DRIVE system comes standard, offering a full suite of advanced driver assistance features like travel assist, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency assist, and front assist with pedestrian and cyclist monitoring. A surround view camera system and Park Assist Plus make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless and safe. The Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R-Line is built for everyday ease, featuring a hands-free power liftgate, remote start, keyless access, and rain-sensing wipers, heated washer nozzles, power folding mirrors, and a memory function for the driver's seat add thoughtful touches that elevate daily driving convenience. Technology takes center stage with a 12-inch digital cockpit, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports keep everyone connected and powered up, while voice controls make it easy to access key features hands-free. The 2025 VW Atlas Cross Sport SEL Premium R line blends dynamic styling, premium comfort, and advanced technology into a refined and capable SUV. With its upscale materials, impressive performance, and cutting-edge safety features, it's a perfect choice for drivers who want sophistication and sportiness without compromise. You can view our selection at bergevw.com. Give us a call at 480-646-4858 or visit our showroom today.